What's up guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Glenn and today with this video I'm going to talk about beard balms, man. If you don't know much about beard balm, please stick around because I'm going to answer some of the questions concerning beard balm. What is the beard balm? Where can we use it and how can we use it? What is the function actually of a beard balm? Can we use beard balm together with oil, or what is the difference between oil, the beard oil, and beard balm? So before I talk about beard balm, I just want to show you guys what exactly a beard balm looks like. So most of the beard balm are contained in a container like this one, as you can see, and then when you open it you will see that a beard balm is more like a wax like substance in them. It's more like a wax. The function of the beard balm, it has two functions. In fact, one of them is to condition your beard and the other one is to hold your beard. What do you mean about that, holding or styling your beard? It means that when you brush your beard and you style it in a certain way and you want it to remain in that position or to remain in that style, you apply a beard balm. So what it happens is that as you apply that beard balm, it will dry and it will hold it to remain in that position. So that's what beard balm does, and the beard oil doesn't do that. Do you really need to apply beard balm and beard oil at the same time? Yes, not really need to do that, but you can do both. You can apply the beard oil to condition and also to moisturize your skin, and you can also apply beard balm to hold your beard. So someone can say, but if the beard balm can condition your beard, why don't you just use beard balm? The thing about beard balm is that because of it's a wax-like substance, it doesn't really easily distribute to your beard area that easily. You need to rub your hands so that it can melt and then you start applying on your beard area. That on its own is not really effective when it comes to distribution of the beard balm. So for those guys who have shorter beard, I don't advise you guys, or I don't recommend that you use a beard balm, because if you have a shorter beard, most of the time to keep your beard in style you just need to brush it and then that's it. Guys with the longer beard, basically they're the ones who actually need the beard balm, because with the longer beard it's easy for that beard to get messy. So if you apply beard balm, it tends to hold your beard and it remains neat and nice. So guys, I hope this video helped you to understand between the beard oil and beard balm, and also I hope it also helps to answer the question, the function of the beard balm. So if you find this video very useful, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and also comment if you have anything to say about the beard balm. Finally, I just like to say thank you very much guys for subscribing and also commenting to the videos. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much guys. Till next time, cheers.